Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial on arbitrage trading opportunity in my channel. So this is a triangular arbitrage opportunity and education I'm going to be giving you guys. This is the proper knowledge of arbitrage trading. I'm going to be giving you guys how it's being done and what is arbitrage is all about. Okay, so if this is your first time with me on my channel, just know that you're watching from Trade with the Great YouTube channel, and in my channel I document videos on crypto, forex trading, and how to make money online. So if this is your thing, do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I drop new videos on my channel. Okay, as you all know, today is going to be another educational video on arbitrage. All right, so and I'm going to be showing you guys an arbitrage opportunity just showed up. Don't worry, I'm going to be revealing the exchange which I used on this particular arbitrage, and I'm also going to be revealing the other exchange which I used doing this both arbitrage to capitalize on the opportunities. Okay, and I'm also going to be showing you the website where I get this opportunity from. So right now, if you look at, we are going to be capitalizing on this particular cryptocurrency called Obi. Obi is a boy. Okay, well, Obi is a boy is not it, but right here in Nigeria, when we were kids, when receiving nursery teachings, you tell you that Obi is a boy. You all know about that, so let's just go on. So now this website is telling us that we purchase Obi is a boy in another platform. You can see OBI. Obi is a boy. So if we purchase it right here, we can just go and sell it on another exchange in a higher price. Now looking at this exchange right now, you can see the fact that this particular exchange is selling for about 0.0015, and if you come back to the other exchange, you see the price at 0.01481. so what even brings up about the price difference? Since it's the same token, the price is supposed to be the same, right? Now I'm going to be showing you why, and the reason why there is a price difference between these two exchanges. The price difference between these two exchanges is caused because of the trade volume and liquidity, whereby if you come to other exchange, there are more people trading this particular token, whereby in other exchange there are not much people trading that particular token, thereby making this price to be on the higher side in the other exchange and making it to be on the lower side than on the other exchange. And one thing you should know, that in arbitrage opportunity, that any particular token you are using for arbitrage opportunity, first of all, you have to be checking on the charts. So if you check on the chart right now, you discover that the charts are different. You can see how disorganized these charts look right now, the chart of this particular pair, and this is the reason why for this arbitrage. And if you come to the other exchange, you can see that the chart right here is looking healthy and nutritious. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load a bit. Okay, now looking at it right now, you can see the fact that the chart right here looks all healthy and nutrition, and the other side of this particular cryptocurrency looks very scattered. You can't even read anything about this particular chart right now. So I'm going to be showing you guys how it's being done. Now they have said that we should purchase on the exchange where it is lower. Now imagine we have about $500. Now we have about $500 to purchase at this particular price. So now if we purchase Obi is a boy at this particular price, $500, we are going to be getting about 337,609 worth of Obi is a boy. Okay, so now looking at the price right now, you can see the price is being sold. So right now we are going to be buying this particular Obi is a boy right here. So we should be on the buy side. Okay, we should be on the buy side. I say we are buying 500. Okay, so we should be on the buy side. So, and once you are on the buy side, just know that your your price, your orders is going to be triggering from the part right here. Okay, so the red side, that's the sell side, because they are the one buying, they are the one selling, so you want to buy from them. Okay, so if you buy from there right now, this price, so you are going to be getting this particular amount. So mind you that this particular OB, because there are not much liquidity right here, this could cause a delay for the market to trigger. Okay, your orders to trigger. Okay, so now if you get this particular amount right now, we are going to be sending it to the other exchange. So let's just copy the price right now. If we go to the other exchange, you can see that there is much liquidity right here on this particular exchange, and we can trade OB right here. OB is a boy, so we are going to be selling our OB is a boy right here, about 37,000 watts, 300,000 watts of it. So if we place our OB is a boy right here now, so we are going to be making extra $14 if we place OB is a boy from this particular price. Right now the price has gone down. Right now we are seeing about $9 in profit, because this particular opportunity doesn't last for long, so it's just for a little period of time. So once you catch this opportunity, you try your best as much as possible to capitalize on it before the opportunity elapses. So I don't think if any arbitrage opportunity stays up to an hour or a hour. Okay, I don't think any arbitrage opportunity stay up to that. So now after making this profit, and the thing is this particular one is unlimited. Now one thing you should know about this particular triangular arbitrage is what we call the external trading between two different exchanges. Okay, so and one thing now is that there are things you are going to be considering. Why did I pick OB for this particular arbitrage opportunity? The reason why I pick OB is this. I'm going to be showing you. Now this is the place, this is the exchange where you are going to be buying OB is a boy. Okay, so first of all, if you buy this OB is a boy, you are going to be pushing it out. Okay, so let's say about 300 OB now right here on this particular platform, 300, and this should be your fee, is about 0.4 cents, that's 40, almost 50 cents. Okay, so this should be your fee. Now let's go and see if we can withdraw OB. So now let's go and see if we can withdraw OB right now. So withdraw OB now. Let's withdraw OB. That's OBI. So we click on it. So it's going to be searching OB. So right now there are other cryptocurrencies that has the OB in it, but the first one, which is the OBI, is the main OB. So we click on it right here. OB is a boy. Okay, if you even look at the sticker right here, you can see there's a boy there. So OB is a boy, really. Now if you look at it right now, we have BNB Smart Chain, and we also have Ethereum. If you look at now, Ethereum is going to be charging us 2,666 OB for fee, and right here they are going to be charging us only 300 if we capitalize on the BSC network. So because we don't want to lose much of our money, we are going to be choosing BSC. So right now we have seen that we can withdraw this particular token called the OB. Okay, so now we have seen that we can withdraw this particular token called OB. Now the next thing is to go and check. We are going to go and check the other exchange to see if that particular exchange accepts OB as BS, as the trade OB on BSC network. Okay, because that is the network we are going to be using in order to retain more profit, so that we don't get our fee don't take all of our profits, right? So now if we move to the other one, so now we are going to be checking if we can deposit OB, because now we want to sell OB on this particular exchange. Now we go to deposit and we go to on-chain deposit. So we are going to be looking for OB. Okay, so if we look for OB right now, you can see that right here in OB, they only accept BSC, that is BNB Smart Chain, which is perfect. perfect for this trade. So now you can just go straight and trade OB on this particular exchange. Imagine you have, let's say you have about $500 and you capitalize on this OB, making $9 per profit. If you do this 10 times, you have made $100. And one thing is that this is not just OB is not just the only particular token you can make arbitrage with, or trade arbitrage with. Okay, so there are several so many cryptocurrencies that has this opportunity in the market currently right now. So once you are done OB, if the opportunity for OB elapses, you jump into another one. Okay, you jump into another cryptocurrency and you start trading and making your money. So this is unlimited and it has no limit. You trade and trade and trade. You're the one who is going to get tired of making this money. But there are things that there could be delays, because of the liquidity and the volume imbalance. There could be delay in your orders being triggered. Okay, but that's it. It doesn't take that much time. In some cases, it doesn't take much time. Just use your limit order. Make sure you place it a little below so that it could quickly trigger. Okay, so that's how to get it done. Let's go and check for the website right now. Okay, so we are already done with checking on the these particular exchanges. So once I show you the website, then I tell you the name of the exchange and the website. Okay, so now let's go. This is the website right here. You can see it shows us OB that you are going to be making at least 3.18% from OB at the time I saw this particular token. There are so many tokens right there you can trade, but I'll advise you should stay off from any token that accepts Ethereum for your fee. Reason is this: Ethereum is going to eat up your profit. Imagine you are going to be sending this 500, trading this particular 500 worth of OB now, and you are getting $9. Imagine Ethereum charging you $5 or charging you $4 for fee only. They have already taken out about 50% of your profits, and using BSC or any other network is going to cut those losses or those high fees down. So I will advise you capitalize on tokens that trades on network like BSC, just any network that doesn't have to do with Ethereum. That's what I will advise. Base, it could be Base, it could be any other network at all. As long as it's not Ethereum, then you are good to go. Okay, and also you can also capitalize on Solana. Solana network is good, they have low fees. Okay, so and that's it. By the way, now that particular website is called the Crypto Arbitrage. So if you just go to your Google Chrome and search for Crypto Arbitrage bots, that's where you are going to be seeing that particular website. Okay, I know a lot of you might have seen this particular website, but that doesn't mean you have known all it gives. Okay, so you still need guide. So these are exchanges. These are numerous exchanges. So the exchanges I use to practicalize this particular arbitrage opportunity is the Gate.io and MEXC. So now, if you look at it, all you have to do is just come here. If there are videos I have made already, if you watch my videos on arbitrage trading, you find out that I've already shown a tutorial on this particular website. But if you still want me to show it again, then I'm going to be making another video showing you how this particular website works. But right here, you just come to Google's Chrome and type check, that's coin arbitrage bot. Okay, so once you do that, and that's how it's going to be. So you come here, you choose your base currency. You are going to be choosing it on USDT, you are going to be choosing it on 1%. So let it be 1%, and you are going to be seeing tons of coins right there. Okay, so that's how it's been done. But let me just show you the coins. Okay, let me just show you those coins that you are going to be seeing. So you type in this captcha, make sure that everything is correct, and the letters are going to be in small letter alphabet. So I'm just going to just put it down. B. Okay, yeah. B for BW. All right, so now once you type, it's very easy. You select your base currency, let it be USDT. So we see the same thing as USD. Okay, so now we are just going to tap on submit. So if we submit right now, they are going to be showing us a lot of opportunities right there. So these are tons of coins you can trade with between these two exchanges. So depending on exchange you are using, I'm not saying that Gate.io and MEXC is the only exchange perfect for this, but because I have an account with this and these two exchanges are reputable, that's why I'm using them. Okay, so you can, there are Binance, there's Binance, there's BitGet, a lot of exchange, but just go with the one that's reputable. Okay, so that you don't lose your money to regulated crypto exchanges. Okay, so now that's it, and that's how it's done. So you're going to be checking on all these cryptocurrencies, and make sure once it's seen on Ethereum, you skip out of it. Okay, so that's it. And you can see this particular website has a lot of comments, good comments. You can see, could you imagine that this particular comment has been there for since that's about 3 years ago. This comment was done year 2022. How come we are still noticing about this particular website now? Now we are noticing ever since it has been here since 2022. Well, maybe there are so many updates which you have been, partaking and making profit with. That's why. But there are so many comments in 2025 concerning this particular website. So that's how it's been done. Okay, so right now you can see their names. So many comments right here. You can see their name. So maybe look at this person. He has already made profit and he's saying how to donate. He wants to donate to this website for giving him this particular opportunity. Yes, some people are saying it's very hard to earn some profit in arbitrage. Yes, it could be hard if you call this arbitrage opportunity at late. If you have it late, it could be hard, right? Yes, so you can see precious, it's a good one. So that's it, by the way. That's how it's been done and how you can capitalize on it. So I end this particular video here, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Bye.